Hello, freelancers! Imagine working with the waves of the ocean in the background. In this section, we will be sharing with you some amazing freelance gigs that allow you to work from anywhere. Whether it's your cozy home or a tropical beach, get ready to find the ultimate work-life balance. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss with you all. We're going to dive into the world of online translation jobs, and specifically review a company called Alkemist. Alkemist claims to provide quick and high-quality translations through their express translation self-service. If you're interested in becoming part of their team, you can check out their For Translators section to see the requirements and how to apply. For those of you looking for more translation and interpretation opportunities, we have a PDF book that contains over 1,000 translation and interpretation jobs. It's available for purchase at ko-fi.com and also on amazon.com. Make sure to check the link in the description and take your skills to the next level. If you want to watch more videos like this, please check out this playlist.